Hey guys, welcome to Crystal Tractor. My name is Brad, I'm the corporate trainer here at Crystal Tractor, and we're taking this morning to spend some time with some of our sales guys at our stores to really go over some equipment. Not only just to highlight the equipment, but really give them some real world experience with this equipment so they're better off serving our customer base out there around Central Florida. So what we have out here today is we have the Kubota SCL 1000 stand-on, and what we have on it is our DipperFox SC 400 stump grinder attachment. So what you're seeing this machine is doing is giving us the ability to be in this person's front yard, clean out this stump, not a lot of debris flying around, and really do a great job with a multi-use tool. Because not only can we sit there and now clean this stump up with this attachment, we could take that attachment off, have a bucket on there, grapple, brush cutter. We could do a lot of different work with this machine and make it a multifaceted unit. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is introduce you to Alex. He is our rep from Abra. Alex is gonna give you a rundown on this attachment and some of the specs and features of it.
Hey, good morning. My name's Alex. I'm with Abra Equipment Supply. We're here this morning doing some training with Crystal Tractor, showing it on their SCL 1000 stand-on machine. This machine for doing stump removal is a lot faster and a lot less maintenance and a lot safer than your standard wheel type stump grinder. We'll operate on machines from 8 gallon per minute up. There's 3 different models from this size here for compact minis all the way up to 14 to 30 ton excavators. This machine will take a stump out in a lot less time than your standard wheel grinder with throwing a lot less material around. So cleanup is a lot quicker. It's safer because it's not throwing a lot of material around. The maintenance cost is a lot less because all your maintenance is just 2 blades and 6 to 8 bolts. Maintenance is very simple. Basically, it's all hydraulic with a planetary drive, and every 200 hours, you change the gear oil. Other maintenance is just keeping the blades sharp, using a hand grinder about every 8 to 10 hours, and you're just gonna put a sharp, clean up the top edge on the blades. Very efficient machine, works very quickly, lets you get in on the job and get out. We have very good success with these machines. When we show it to a customer, 9 times out of 10, they're walking away with a purchase.
We want our guys to have a chance to experience this, not just talk about the equipment, but really get some real world experience on it so they make sure they can convey that picture to the customer on what it's capable of doing. And you know, to be honest with you, we encourage them to really work with our customers if we have to have a demo. So, you know, we're a large group here at Crystal Tractor. We're all over the northern part of Florida and Georgia and growing each and every year. So if you're working with one of our sales consultants and you really need a demo to come out and really get experience with your equipment, please work with our professional sales consultants and our store operators, and we'll make that happen for you.